Hi, I'm Erica from FarmSteady, and today I'm going to show you how to make your own naturally fermented ginger beer. Ginger beer, even though it has beer in the name, is more like a homemade soda. It's totally delicious. If you like ginger ale, you're going to love ginger beer. It has all that fantastic ginger flavor, but nothing artificial about it. For this recipe, you'll be using sugar, fresh ginger, and your ginger bug. If you haven't made a ginger bug yet, it's super easy and you want to do it first. It does take a couple days, so watch that video, get started, and then come back to learn how to make homemade ginger beer. Check out the description on this video for links to the ginger bug as well as the full ginger beer recipe. And for more great fermented beverages, hot sauce, kraut, and more, please subscribe to this channel and we'll keep the videos coming. Now let's get started making some ginger beer. For this recipe, you'll need one 3-inch piece of ginger, a half cup sugar, 1 lemon, cut and juice, you'll just use the juice for this recipe, and your ginger bug. If you don't have a ginger bug yet, please check out that video. Bring 2 quarts of water to a boil. Then add your sliced ginger. Boil for 20 minutes. Starting to see some bubbles? And boiling. Remove from heat. Add your sugar. And then stir to dissolve. Let cool down to room temperature, about 70 degrees Fahrenheit. We use a half-gallon fermenter for this recipe. Strain and transfer your liquid. This funnel's great because it has a built-in filter. Add 3 tablespoons of your ginger bug, just the liquid. And then whisk to combine. Top with your lid and airlock and let ferment for 2 days. After fermenting for just 2 days, you want to transfer your ginger beer into bottles. Then you want to let the bottles sit out for 2 to 3 days so that it can carbonate. This bottle here is a swing top bottle, which is fantastic and can be reused batch after batch. But the most important thing is that you're using a bottle that has held a carbonated beverage before and has a tight seal to lock all that carbonation in. After your ginger beer has been sitting out in bottles for 2 to 3 days, you can move it into the fridge and enjoy. The longer you let your ginger beer sit out at room temperature, the more of those sugars are going to convert into CO2, which is going to leave you with a less sweet, more carbonated ginger beer. Again, I'm Erica from FarmSteady. Thanks so much for watching. And please, if you haven't already, subscribe to this channel and check out farmsteady.com for great fermentation kits and even more recipes.